Welcome to Vidyash Academy. As previous lecture, we discussed about a pair of linear equations in two variables, its general form, solutions by various methods. Today we learn to finding a solution of a linear equation in two variables by elimination methods. Elimination method, in this method we have to eliminate one of the variable x or y from the given pair of equations. That is, we have to convert these linear equations in two variables into one variable equation. So I give some important steps to finding solution by elimination method. Students can note these steps in. Now first method is elimination method. Finding a solution by elimination methods. Following steps, most important step. First is write pair of equations in general form as a1x b1y is equal to c1, and second one a2x plus b2y is equal to c2, and this is our first equation and this is our second equation. Now second step, we have to eliminate one of the variable x or y. First you can choose or select any variable, any one variable x or y to eliminate. Now how to eliminate variables from the given equations? First we make their coefficients equal and signs should be opposite. That means most important thing, first we select any one of the variable to eliminate, and that variable's coefficient, make coefficient same and signs different or opposite. Keep its signs opposite. Now here we get new pair of equations, as equation number 3 and equation number 4. After that we adding equation 3 with equation 4 so that we can eliminate one of the variable, and here we get one variable equation. That in at this step we convert two variable equation into one variable equation by adding equation 3 with equation 4. At this step we get value of one of the variable. Now here we get value of one variable, Now next step, put this value of variable, this variable in equation first. After putting value of this variable in equation first, we get value of other variable. In 7th step, Here in step number 6 we get value of another variable also. Now finally we can write solution as x comma y is equal to write value of x and value of y. Students can also verify solution by putting these values of x and values of y in given equations 1 and 2. Now to illustrate or for more understanding we take some examples for elimination methods, as one of the example for clearly understand elimination method. Suppose in general we take a pair of equation as x plus 2y is equal to 5 and we have to given second is 3x minus 5y is equal to 4, like that. Okay, now as we discuss here elimination methods, any example solving by using these steps, students can easily find out solution step by step. This is a very important pathway to reach solution. Okay, now use first steps. Write the pair of equation in general form as we write here x plus 2y is equal to 5. This is our first equation. Then 3x minus 5y is equal to 4 is our equation second. Now this step is done. After that we have to choose any variable x or y to eliminate. Now to eliminate x, or we can eliminate y also, but to eliminate variable is given in the third step. Coefficients are same and signs are opposite. We have to keep signs opposite. So we select which variable to be eliminated, the variable which having opposite sign. Okay, now here in this given equations, signs of variable y are opposite. So we select opposite. We select variable y to be eliminated. Now next step we multiply equation first by 5 and equation second by 2. So by multiplying equation first by 5 and equation second by 2, here we in this step we get, see, we have to eliminate y. So we multiplying first equation by coefficient of y from second equation, and for first equation we multiply, for second equation we multiply 2 to the second equation. So in this way we can make coefficient equal or same. After that we get new equations as, now multiply equation first by 5, we get 5x plus 10y is equal to 25 as equation number 3, and equation 2 by 2, that we get 6x minus 10y is equal to 8. This is our equation number 4. Now we complete these two steps more. After that we get new pair of equation 3 and 4. This step is also done. Now next step we have to given here adding equation 3 with 4. That means if we add equation 3 with equation 4, as we again write here 5x plus 10y is equal to 25, and their operation of adding, so plus sign also write. Second equation 6x minus 10y is equal to 8. Now here we eliminate this variable y, as plus 10y and minus 10y, their subtraction should be 0. That means here one variable, that is y variable, can be eliminated. Now we get value of x by solving one variable equation in x. That means we get here next step 11x is equal to 25 plus 8 is equal to 33. Now this is a one variable equation. Therefore we find value of x. Now here we have to given 11 times x. Now operation between this coefficient and variable is multiplication. So we first transfer this 11 on right hand side to divide. So we write 33 divided by 11. Now as we get x is equal to 11 1 the 11, 11 3 the 33, as we get x is equal to 3. In this way we get value of one variable. Now we have to find value of other variable. How? By put value of this known variable in equation first to get value of another variable. Now we must write next page as put value of x is equal to 3 in equation first. What is equation first? We have to given here x plus 2y is equal to 5. We replace x by 3. Keep 3 plus 2 times y is equal to 5. Here again we get one variable equation. So keep constant on right hand side and variables on left hand side only. So we first transfer this 3 on right hand side. Therefore we write 2y is equal to 5 minus 3. That means 2 times y is equal to, we get 2. Again here same condition, that 2 is the coefficient and their operation is multiplication. So we have to find value of 1y. That means y is equal to 2 over 2. 2 1 the 2. And we get value of y is equal to 1. Now finally write the solution. Last step we have to write solution x comma y is equal to, value of x is 3 comma 1. In this way we easily, using these steps, we can easily find the solution. Now students can verify this solution by putting values of x and y. Well, values of x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1 in equation first. As we clearly see here, value of x is 3, right, plus 2 times y. Value of y is 1. 2 times 1, that means we get 2. 3 plus 2, we get 5. So this solution is correct. Exact solution for the given simultaneous linear equations in two variables. So these steps are most important. Students can note these steps. Using this step, we can find this exact correct solution. This is a straight and forward pathway to find exact solution. Okay. Thank you.